High Tide Restaurant. And then breakfast, lunch, dinner, some food.
I got air conditioning grease all over me. Oh, yeah. How you doing, Mama? Fuel in the water right here from that boat. Still, huh? Here she is, the Estates. That's our piece. Here. That's our baby. Wipe out. You just land in the boat. Come on. My boss's boat.
Oh, this is wow. Wow.
This'll do.
Wow. This'll do.
Big comfy
This'll
cruiser.
do, yeah.
This'll do.
There's some covers.
Yeah, no, that's boat's in 08.
Seasick.
So,
That's in good shape, man.
Nest egg, welcome
pretty good
aboard.
shape.
Yeah. Pretty.
Very nice.
Yeah. So what time we gotta be here in the morning?
Hey, what's going on?
I was at your house, bro. I was like,
good, brother.
I said, I'm looking here. I said, boat's not here. Something's wrong. This is Bobby Brown. This is his wife, Gail.
Hi, Gail.
Hi, Gail. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I
Pleasure.
forget
Yeah.
to pronounce your last name.
Say again?
Your last name? I can't.
Parthamore.
Parthamore.
Lovely. Hey, little sheephead. Ooh, big carpet. Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, yeah, no worries. We've got a couple options. Just something like bridges and structures today. Yeah, we'll definitely get some food stuff.
Them are the freebies. We're gonna tell you something.
Another little one? Oh, it's a shark. Probably the same one I just had. Yeah, I had.
If I figure out what's coming on, I was coming and check my face. Well, that's weird.
Come on, Nolan, bring in the keeper.
There we go.
Yeah, there's a good one. Yeah. All right.
My circle head ain't circling. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, good. Good. I kind of know how to do this stuff, but that one rod was crazy. Alright, I'll let it go out here. Yay.
I had it, but I'll let it go for you.
You let him go for me?
Yeah.
That's nice. Thanks for letting him go for me. Alright, good.
Good job.
Whee. That's a good one. All right.
Oh,
That's a real good one.
Oh, yeah, man. Nice.
Ah.
Real nice. Hell yeah. That's I almost got some sides on it.
Got some meat.
For the tarpon. The manatee right there.
Yeah?
And the tarpon.
Oh, yeah, look at him. He's so cute.
Neat.
Oh. Woo.
Hell,
What?
should have seen the side of that one.
That was a big one.
Tarpon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the
That's the
manatee.
best tarpon.
I love manatees.
There's a manatee.
Here he is. Yeah.
What's that? Okay. Nolan.
Manatee, Nolan.
You gotta hit the gates locks. It's C2368Z.
Yeah.
C2368Z. C2368Z.
A little sea cow. Oh. I'll put my camera on here. Manatees, they don't eat fish. I wonder why he's hanging out in here.
He's eating.
Yeah, I didn't know that. I thought they just ate vegetation.
Yep, I like fish too.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Urban hit him right in the face.
Poor guy.
One more time, Captain.
C2368Z.
C or Z?
C.
C?
Yep, 2368Z.
2,
Yep,
3,
C.
6.
Starts with a C, ends with a Z.
Z is in zebra.
Hey, hey. Come on, brother. I will, yeah. I just heard an alarm going off by the bait tank over there.
I think I set it off walking out there.
Are you serious? Oh my god. Gotcha. Did you really?